Hello and welcome to the Auction Anything How-To video series. This segment will focus on the search tab within the Auction Center. At the top of the search page is the search form. Search form has multiple tabs with criteria related to each section. So the first section is general. You can search by things such as keyword and category, lot number, high bidder. The next section is the status or mode, which contains open and closed, a variety of listing types if you use more than one, whether an item is bid on, whether the item is in active or pending mode. Dates would be date ranges associated with when the item was entered, when it starts and closes. Listing options could be anything from featured to whether the item has an instant purchase or buy option on it, and some other options within there. The sales and invoicing ties into whether the item has sold, whether it's been invoiced or not. The Consignor section, which also is the donor section for fundraising clients, allows you to search by donor or whether the item has an associated donor or consignor related to it. And finally, the board section is related to the on-air or broadcast related option associated with the media clients. So rolling up the search form, you can see that that there's a preset report pulled up and it has matching items. You'll note that the search tags here tell us that it's an open item and featured item match, so there's 4 items. If we click on the tag itself, it will bring you directly to the search criteria and highlight it in red. You can also remove the criteria individually by clicking on the X within the tag, or you can go and clear all the search criteria using the Clear All option. So in this case, we're going to go back and, as an example, we'll search for open items that have bids on them, and that will return 6 items. So in this case, there's 6 matches, and the associated display can be updated to provide information that relates to your specific auction. So if you're using something like the product ID and you want to see that, you can select product ID. If you want to remove something such as, say, the entered on date and the consignor section, you can do so. Your settings will be saved for the next time you view that area. There's also an export option where the data can be exported to Microsoft Excel directly. You can save to a report as shown in the reports video, and there's also an action menu which allows you to do some bulk editing to your items. So in this case, if we wanted to feature some items top of category, we can go ahead and either click all of them or we can click some individually, set them to featured top of category. Select yes in the modal. It will update the items accordingly and they'll be now featured top of category. So that about covers the basics for the search section within the Auction Center. We appreciate you watching. As always, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with our latest video content. Thanks and have a great day.